Okay, let's take a quick little walk through and see how we can utilize VS Code. Now, I actually don't use VS Code to its maximum capacity. There's a lot of things that VS Code can do, and I just simply don't need it. So I don't do a lot of things, but I'm going to show you exactly how I use VS Code. So first of all, you can go to View and go to your Explorer. And if you don't have something like this, what you can do is you can go to File, Open, and you can open an entire folder. So instead of just selecting a file, what you can do is you can select nothing and just say open that entire folder, and that will open this Explorer on the left for you. And what this does is just, it allows you to see what files are on the left inside of that folder. Up here, you can create a new file if you wanted to. You can create a new folder if you want to, or what I usually do is I right click and I go to New File, and then I can type like folder name, slash, and that'll automatically create a folder for me, new file.txt. And this creates folder name with a new file called txt in there. You can delete, so you can just right click and delete, or you can just select a file. So let's select new file and hit Command Delete or Control Delete if you're on Windows, I believe. And it will delete it for you as well. And if I ever wanted to rename a file, what I could do is just click on one of these files, and instead of being focused over here, I'm focused on the left, and I could simply hit enter and rename this file. Rename this file, hit enter again, and it's renamed. And that just allows me to not have to use my mouse as much. You can refresh your Explorer. I have honestly never needed to do this, not once. And if you have folders open, you can collapse them. So let's go ahead and create a new folder with a file called test.txt. See that it's open here on the left. If you end up working on a larger project, you might have like 40, 50, 60 folders, and they might end up being open. If you want to close all of them, I just click that, automatically collapses all of them for me. Let's go ahead and delete that. In the next lesson, let's take a look at some of the file shortcuts that I like to use a lot.